Diets have a bad rap. People hate the fact that things they love to eat are rarely the things that they should eat. If we start a diet, it's usually to hit a target weight, almost a kind of torture we put ourselves through just so we don't have to buy new pants. But wouldn't it be nice to have a diet that not only will get us to our target weight, but even further? Something that would slim us down and keep us in shape and be easy to figure out. If that's what you're craving, then go to bestslimmingdiet.com. Once you're there, you'll see an easy to fill out form, which when filled out, will deliver to you a 100% absolutely free report telling you precisely what diet will keep you slim and trim. Instead of cutting every meal in half or following the latest trendy plans, bestslimmingdiet.com is tailor-made for your body based on your answers. So if you're ready to fit back into your favorite pair of pants or simply to feel better about being too thin for your current set, then go to bestslimmingdiet.com and find out how.